Welcome to the project management course. This is Upinder working as an assistant professor in the Department of Civil Engineering in Anurag Engineering College. Today I would like to explain about roles and responsibilities of the project manager from this course. Before to know that roles and responsibilities of the project manager, to know about the project. What is mean by project? Project is the group of activities, means it consists of the lot of activities. For example, the construction of the education building G+5 education building is the project. It consists of the group of activities. It means first of all to measure the site, then to test the soil, and to mark the columns and beams according to the layout and according to the design, then laying of the foundation, after that construction laying of columns, laying of beams, laying of slab, construction of walls, etc. These are the group of activities. Project is nothing but it is set of or group of activities. Let us know more about project. It is a unique process, consists of a set of coordinated and controlled activities with start and finish dates undertaken to achieve an object conforming to specific requirements, including constraints of time, cost, quality and resources. It means to complete the project within the time, cost and quality and resources. A project is a temporary effort to create a unique product, service or result. A project has a definite start and end. A project management plan is created by a project manager. This plan requires a inform all stakeholders. The plan should be realistic, time bounded and achievable. Stages of the project. Various stages of the project consist. They are in that first one, initial stage thinking, then planning and scheduling, then data collection, then status updating through network and giving early warnings, and final one is the pave path for the successful completion of the project. These are the various stages of the project. In that initial one is the thinking and final one is the pave path for the successful completion of the project. Then coming to project management. Project management. Project is the group of activities. Management means to controlling and execution of the particular project within the time and cost constraints and budget allocated resources. What is meant by the management is the technique of understanding the problems needed and controlling the use of resources, cost, time, scope and quality. And coming to the project management definition, it is an application of knowledge, skills, tools and techniques to project achieves in order to meet stakeholder needs and expectations from a project. So why it need project management? Means stated a part of the project, and expectations of the project management is unstated part of the project. Completion of the project on time within budget without compromising quality. To complete the project within the time and within the budget, do not compromise the quality. And phases of the project management, the following are the phases consist in the project management. They are the planning, scheduling, controlling and closing. These four are the main phases of the project management. In that initial one is the planning stage. Here first of all, to identify the project scope, We have first of all to identify the project scope and plan. Here to prepare the 3 or more plans, which one is the better plan to suitable to the particular project, and to finally one plan that is to satisfy all the conditions. Then going to the scheduling process, here each and every activity in that plan takes how much time. Here to develop a one schedule with the help of the PERT and CPM. PERT means program evaluation review techniques, and critical path methods used to schedule each and every activities in that plan. Then controlling process, here to monitoring and controlling the each and every activity or task executed within the time or not, and the resources is sufficient to complete the project. All are here controlled with the help of controlling phase. Then closing stage, in this stage the project is completed within the time, within the budget, allocated resources. All are comes under the closing phase. Then your project manager is like a doctor who leads the trauma team and decides the course of action for a patent. Here project manager like a doctor, he cure all the diseases, like your project manager in the construction stage to fulfill all the stages, like he control the civil related designers, interior and planners, and mechanical related plumber, fitters and executive engineers. All are controlled by the project manager. All the activities in that project controlled by the project manager. Means like a doctor to cure all diseases. A project manager is a person who has the overall responsibility for the successful initiation, planning, design, execution, monitoring, controlling and closure of a project. Project manager is a person who take overall responsibility for the successful initiation, planning, design, execution, monitoring, controlling and closure of the project. The project manager must have the combination of the skills, including an ability to ask penetrating questions, detect unstated assumptions and resolve conflicts, as well as more general management skills. All the skills required for the project manager means you definitely know about the planning, controlling, managing design stages. All these stages he definitely have some knowledge and have some experience on all the stages. A project manager is a person who is responsible for making decisions both large and small. The project manager should make sure they control risk and minimize uncertainty. Every decision the project manager makes must directly benefit their project. And what are the roles of the project manager? Actually, project manager role of the project manager is comprehensive and essential for the project's success. He plans, leads, organizes, monitors and completes projects, ensuring that the objectives are achieved on time, within the budget and according to the quality standards within the resources. These are the main key responsibilities of the project manager. They are the project planning, resource management, team leadership, execution and monitoring, risk management, budget management, stakeholder communication, quality assurance. These are the main key responsibilities of the project manager. Let us know more about the key responsibilities of the project manager. In this first one is the project planning. It defines project scope, goal, deliverables, timelines and budgets in consultation with the stakeholders, develops a detailed project plan to guide execution and track progress. Then second one is the resource management, allocated task, organizes teams, coordinates resources and ensure the right people are assigned to the right job, resolving any resources conflicts or shortages. Then third one, team leadership. He motivates, leads and supports the project team, fostering collaboration, resolving conflicts and building morale, act as the leader and facilitator throughout the project life cycle. Then fourth one is the execution and monitoring. Oversees project activities, monitors progress against the plan and ensures milestones are achieved on schedule, adjust plan and resources as needed to keep the project on track. Then fifth one is the risk management. It identifies, assess and mitigates potential risk to minimize negative impacts on the project. He minimizes the negative impacts on the project, plans for the contingencies and adapts to change in project scope or resources. And sixth one is budget management. You definitely have some knowledge about budget. The allocated budget is enough to the project. If in case any deviations or occurs, how we manage that deviations within the budget. He definitely have some knowledge about the budget management. He develops and manages the project budget, tracks expenditures, forecast cost and makes adjustments to keep spending in line with the financial constraints. And stakeholder communications. Stakeholder means the investors in that big project is definitely involves the more members of the investors. We definitely communicate all the stakeholders and we definitely inform that each and every activity updates to the stakeholders. He serves as the main point of contacts between the teams, clients and stakeholders, regularly provides updates, seeks feedback and maintain transparency throughout the project. And then quality assurance. We definitely have material standards. We definitely follow the material specifications and standards, and all the materials following the specifications or not all are responsible for the project manager, and he ensures that all the deliverables meet the required standards and client expectations through ongoing quality checks and process improvements. And then project closure and evaluations. Completes project documentation, evaluates outcomes and conducts post-project reviews to identify lessons learned and opportunities for improvement. Then project manager balance completing demands, solve unforeseen problems and are ultimate responsible for the success or failure of the project. Their leadership ensures alignment between the team and the stakeholders, drives performance and guides the perfect from start to finish efficiently and effectively. The roles of the project manager encompasses many activities, including they are planning and defining scope, then activity planning and sequencing, then resource planning, then developing schedules, time estimating, cost estimating, developing a budget, documentation, creating charts and schedules, risk analysis, monitoring and reporting progress, team leadership, strategic influencing, business partnering, working and vendors, scalability, interoperability and portability analysis, controlling quality, benefits realizations, and difficulties faced by a project manager. What are the difficulties faced by the project manager? They are the first one is the role of the project manager is affected by the one-shot nature of the project. The role of the project manager is difficult when team members are still linked to their permanent work areas. Then members may be assigned to several projects simultaneously, and managers must rely on their communication skills and powers of persuasion. These are the main difficulties faced by the project manager. Thank you for listening. Any questions? Thank you.